dear student, welcome to the online classes of SPPS. In today's video for 10th class in English subject, I will revise holiday homework. Now, in question number second, I have given to write the summary of some lesson. Now, I think you have written summaries of the holiday homework in your notebook. Now I am going to tell you one of them. उनमें से एक की मैं आपको सभी बताने जा रहा हूँ. Your my lesson's name is A Letter to God. एक पत्र ईश्वर के लिए. Now the main character of the story is Lancho, who is a poor farmer. He lived on a hillside. His house is situated on a hill crest. उसका घर एक पहाड़ी की चोटी के ऊपर स्थित है. And he has sown corn in his fields. Now his crop is ready to be harvested, but he needed a shovel to ripe his crop rapidly. Now it was the evening time. His younger son was playing around his house and his younger son was working in the fields. Now suddenly the huge cloud of mountains began to fall into the sky, and the air became heavy with wind. First of all, there fell big drops. When Lancho saw, he became glad. He thought that now he would have some rain. But after some time, the rain began heavily, and his elder son went out to feel the pleasure of the rain. But after some time, there was hailstorm along with the rain. बारिश साथ और गिरने लगे. And now Lancho became afraid. उसे भय हो गया. If this continued for a long time, his entire labor and crops will be destroyed into the hailstorm. But the hail did not stop. For 1 hour. And when it stopped, Lancho went out to see his crops. When he went into his fields, he saw that his farms were covered as if they were covered with salt, नाक से ढक दिए गए हो, and his entire crop was destroyed by the hailstorm. Now Lancho became very sad, बहुत दुख हो गया, because he did not have anything to feed his family and himself. Though Lancho was illiterate, but he knew how to write. But he had a great faith in God. So he did not ask any help from friends or relatives. To ask help, he wrote a letter to God. In the letter, he wrote that God he addressed first, and then began to write, the hailstone has destroyed all my crops. Now I have nothing to eat, myself and my family. Please send me 100 pesos to feed my family and to sow my feet again. And taking the letters, he went to the town. In the post office, he put a stamp on the letter and dropped it into a letter box. When a postmaster saw the letter which was addressed to God, he became very shocked, because in his whole life he never saw this type of address. And he immediately took the letter and handed to the postmaster. When postmaster opened the letter, he read, and though the postmaster was a kind-hearted man, so he decided to help the person who has written this letter. But to help the person, he needed 100 pesos, which was a big amount, and it was a great work. So he asked his employees to give some money. He also gave a large part of his salary, and thus he was able to collect only 70 pesos. And the next Sunday when Lancho came, he handed the money to him with the, and after taking the money, Lancho went to his house. अपने घर गया. He counted the money, but he found that 30 pesos was less, which he had asked from God. And now again, next time he came to the post office and he wrote another letter. In his another letter, he wrote that, God, dear God, I needed the remaining 30 pesos. But he also requested God, but don't send this time the money through post office, because the post office employees are a bunch of proof. They have stolen my 30 pesos. So this is the summary of the lesson. I think you have heard it and written in your copy. That's all for this video.